Monday, so that means we get to check in with our local CPA, Jeromy Bourque. He joins us virtually today. Jeromy, thanks so much for being here with us.
Oh, no problem. Happy to be here.
So, deadlines, extensions, we're in the middle of tax season. That's the topic for today. What do people at home need to know?
So for businesses that are taxed as partnerships or S corporations, we refer to as pass-through entities. Their extension or deadline to file their return is March 15th, which is on Wednesday. If we file an extension before then, we have until September 15th to file those returns. And then for individuals and C corporations, we need to file an extension or the returns by April 18th. And if we do that, we have until October 18th.
And Jeromy, why is it so important that we start paying attention to these deadlines and extensions now?
Well, the most important reason is the extensions are an extension of time to file. It is not an extension to pay. So we need to calculate our taxes and pay them before that date to avoid any penalties or interest for late payments. So if you have hired a CPA or another tax preparer, be patient. Right now, we are currently calculating those extension payment amounts for April just to make sure that everyone's covered, and then we'll start wrapping up these tax returns.
And Jeromy, what's your best piece of advice for people this tax season?
I would say patience. It's still been, it's the third year dealing with the IRS after a windfall of, I'd say, COVID grants and stimulus that they've had to process with no additional staff or help. So we're still seeing a lot of delays in processing on their end. As far as extensions go, be diligent about acquiring all the information you need and sending that to your tax preparer, or if you're handling yourself, make sure you're calculating that correctly.
And Jeromy, if people at home have a tax question for you, how can they contact you?
Yeah, they can email us at me at Jeromy@jbourquecpa, or call us at 337-362-5005.
Jeromy, thank you so much for joining us virtually to share this information with our viewers today.
Happy to help.